What's up guys, this is Henry Neal, and today we are unboxing the Tecno Spark 2, a brand new, very entry-level smartphone from Tecno. Without wasting much time, let's get down to it. So I've got my key here. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to read out quick specs for you. It's got a 6-inch HD plus full display, an 8 megapixel front facing camera and a 13 megapixel rear facing camera. It's got something called a mixed flash 2.0. I don't know what that is anyway. It's got face unlock. It's got portrait mode in your pictures as well. I wonder how it's going to do that with just one camera. And it's got a fingerprint quick snap, so I guess you can take pictures with your fingerprint. And it also comes with Android 8.1, and it runs on the Google Go edition. So it's a nice one that Tecno is going with the Google Go program. And for those of you who don't know what the Google Go program is, it's a lighter version of Android for lower spec devices like this. Alright, so here we are. This is the Tecno Spark 2. I cut it open, but I decided to change the background just to make it look a little bit better. So hit me down in the comment section if you like this background. Let's move on. I'm going to pick this up. So first thing we're presented with is the Tecno Spark 2 on the top of the box. I'm going to set this aside for now and check out other items. Oh, this is... Okay, so in the box here we have a couple of paperwork. This is the user manual, and then we've got the Boom Play Music. This is a 1-month subscription plan for Boom Play Music. So this always comes with new Tecno phones when you buy them, as well as Infinix phones as well. And you get your 12 plus 1 month warranty card. Then you also got your SIM ejector tool on this little white card here. And next in the box we have a case, and this is a plastic case. Doesn't flex too much, but I love the way this looks. It's got a frosted back here and it's a bit tinted. This is a nice touch. I'm going to be trying this out very soon so you guys can see what it looks like. We've got a micro USB cable. We've got a pair of in-ear earbuds. And we've got our charger. This is a 5-volt 1.2 amps charger that comes in the box. So that's all we have in the box. So let's set this all aside and take a look at the Tecno Spark 2. So this is the device here. It's quite good. Looks really nice. Let's take off this and let's take off what we have in the front here as well. Oh, so it comes with a screen protector, but it's quite loose. Let me put that back in there. Well, I'm very sure I'll be taking this off. I don't like the way it looks anyway. So it comes in with a pre-applied protector, but I'm going to be taking this out so we can see the phone properly. So this is what the Tecno Spark 2 looks like. It's a decent phone. It's got a matte finish on the back here, and it's reminiscent of the Tecno Camon X and the Camon X Pro. I like the way they've done this. It's made of plastic, but it feels quite good and it feels quite strong in the hand. Let's turn this on while I run down the spec sheet.
Tiny, ain't nobody but said I think my jean tripping and a CC ping. Yes, I'm the one where they come with the big thing. Striking sign like lightning, I don't clear, baby girl, no vicing. Baby girl, you scatter my memory. You got the right tune and the melodies. Another like you, me, I never see. Baby girl, you stuck in my memory.
So here we have it. This is the Tecno Spark 2. It's all set up now, and I'm going to be taking you around the hardware features on this phone. Up front we have an 8 megapixel front-facing selfie camera accompanied by a speaker and front-facing flash. This front-facing flash combines with the screen of the phone to give you something called mixed flash, that where both flash at the same time in really dark situations to brighten up your selfie photos. The screen is a 6.0-inch HD plus full display and comes in at 720p. To the right we have our volume rockers and our power button. To the left we have a SIM tray housing 2 nano SIMs and one slot for your SD card. To the bottom of the device, we have a speaker grill, we have a micro SD card port, and we have a microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. To the top of the device, we have nothing. Flipping over to the back, we have a 13 megapixel primary camera with ring flash, and we also have a fingerprint sensor down at the middle of the device, which is perfectly placed for my fingers. Fingerprint unlock on the Tecno Spark 2 works pretty fine. It's decent and it was easy to set up. It's not the fastest fingerprint sensor in the whole world, but I believe they can improve on this with a future software update. It unlocks the phone in about a second, which is quite disappointing, but again, you know that with what you're getting on this phone, you don't expect for things to be really super fast. I also tried the face unlock as well. Setting it up was very easy and it was very convenient, and unlocking the phone using face unlock as well takes just about a second to unlock the phone. Now, these are not the best times in the world, but I'm sure they can improve this with future software updates. The included protective plastic case fits the phone snugly and will provide quite a good amount of protection for this device.
Oh, baby, you know I remember. January to December.
This was my quick unboxing and first look at the Tecno Spark 2, the second iteration in the Spark product line from Tecno. It's a fairly decent device and it's clearly targeted at those people who are trying to get their teenagers their first smartphone. I'm sure this phone is going to be cheap. I don't have the pricing and availability information on this product yet, but as soon as I have it, I'll put it in the description section of this video. If you have any questions about this device, please leave it in the comment section. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you loved it, hit the subscribe button. And until I come your way again next time, from me, it's peace and have a good week.